Here in the program, header file is included and two characters are used, ch1 and yes. The input 1 of the motor driver is connected to the port 2.0 of the microcontroller, and input 2 to the port 2.1, input 3 to port 2.2 and input 4 to port 2.3. Here three functions are defined as delay, rxeta and txeta for creating delay and receiving and transmitting the character to the serial ports. In the main function, the messages to be displayed in the Android application is defined. And here the T mode is loaded with 0x20 to function in timer 1, mode 2 auto reload function. SCON is loaded with 0x50 to function 8-bit data, 1 stop bit, REN to enable. And the TH1 upper byte of the timer 1 is loaded with 0x50, and TR1 is equal to 1 enables the timer 1. And here S is the data received from the Android application. If S equal to F, that means the robot is moving in the forward direction. And the ports are loaded with 1010. Motors are moving in the forward direction, and the message displayed on the Android application will be the robot is moving in the forward direction. And if S equal to B, then the ports are loaded with 0101 and the message displayed will be the robot is moving in the backward direction and both the motors rotate in the backward direction. If S equal to R, then the ports are loaded with 1001 and that means the first motor rotates in the forward direction and the second motor rotates in the backward direction, and the message displayed will be the robot is moving right. And if S equal to L, which means that the robot is moving left, that means the first motor rotates in the backward direction and the second motor in the forward direction. And the ports are loaded with 0110. And if S equal to S, the ports are loaded with 0000 and both the motors stop rotating and the message displayed will be the robot has stopped. And when the receive interrupt RI equal to 1, the message is received from the Android application, and when the transmit interrupt TI is equal to 1, the message is transmitted to the Android application as the robot is moving forward, backward, right or left as such, and the delay is function as given. The components used here are 8051 microcontroller 8089C51 and the L293D motor driver. Here the input 1 of the motor driver is connected to the port 2.0 of the microcontroller, input 2 to port 2.1, input 3 to port 2.2 and input 4 to port 2.3. This motor driver drives both the DC motors. Here the virtual terminal is used to get the input commands and to display the output messages. A crystal oscillator is used to generate the clock signals. Only the hexa files can be dumped into the microcontroller. So the code written in the Kale software finally is converted into hexa file and is now being loaded into the microcontroller. Now I'm running the simulation. The virtual terminal is visible. Here the inputs are given. First F is given, that is the robot is moving forward. Both the motors are rotating in the forward direction. Now B is given, that is the robot is moving backward. Both the motors starts rotating in the backward direction. Now R is given, the robot is moving in the right, that is first motor moves in the forward direction, and now the second motor starts rotating in the backward direction. And now L is given, the robot is moving left, now the second motor starts rotating in the forward direction and the first motor now starts rotating in the backward direction.